Do you often end up with dozens of open tabs and struggle to keep everything organized? LibreWolf includes several useful tab management features that can help you keep your browsing cleaner and more efficient. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to pin tabs, mute tabs, unload tabs, and use other helpful tab controls. Let's start with pinning tabs. Pinned tabs are useful for websites you use regularly, such as your email, calendar, messaging apps, or frequently visited pages. Instead of keeping these tabs mixed together with all your other open tabs, you can pin them so they stay organized and take up less space. To pin a tab, simply right-click on the tab you want to keep and select Pin tab. The tab will move to the left side of the tab bar and become smaller, making room for other open tabs. You can still open, close, and use Pin tabs normally. If you no longer need a tab pinned, right-click it again and choose Unpin tab. Next is muting tabs. Some websites automatically play videos, music, or other sounds, which can become annoying when you have many tabs open. When a tab is playing audio, you can mute it by right-clicking the tab and selecting Mute tab. If you want to enable the sound again later, simply right-click the tab and choose the same option to unmute it. Another useful feature is unloading tabs. When you keep many tabs open, some of them may use system resources even when you're not actively using them. Unloading a tab removes it from memory while keeping the tab itself open, which can help reduce RAM usage and improve browser performance. To unload a tab, right-click on the tab and choose Unload tab. The tab will remain visible in your tab bar, but the page content will be removed from memory. When you click on the tab again, LibreWolf will reload the page, allowing you to continue browsing where you left off. LibreWolf also includes several other useful tab options. By right-clicking on a tab, you can close tabs to the right, close other tabs, or reopen recently closed tabs. These simple tools can make a big difference, especially if you regularly work with many open tabs. And that's how you can use some of the most useful tab management features in LibreWolf. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more LibreWolf tutorials, browser tips, privacy features, and customization guides.